Hi viewer, if you are very much new to AutoCAD, this is a class for you. Okay, the moment you open the AutoCAD software, the screen would look like this. These are the pull down menus: file, edit, view, insert, format, etc. These are called pull down menus. This is the standard toolbar. Okay, and this is the draw toolbar. This is the modified toolbar. Bottom you have the command line where you type the command. Each icons of the toolbar represent certain commands which will be dealt with you later. Okay, now conventionally when you want to prepare some drawings on drawing sheet, you know the size of the paper and nothing could be drawn beyond the size of the paper, right? So here that's not a true, because AutoCAD is a huge large screen, you can draw anything. Okay, but however whatever drawing you have prepared should be available for you to see it. Okay, that should be visible for you. In order to control that, you have to specify the limits, okay, by using command called drawing limits. That is their format drawing limits. Okay, now how much limits you have to enter, that's the question. Look friend, suppose you want to prepare a drawing whose size is 1500 by 1000. That means your limit should be slightly more than 1500 by 1000. Say for example 2000 by 2000. This 2000 by 2000 in the sense these are the coordinate. For example, this is called lower left corner and this corner is called upper right corner. You have to specify the coordinates of this corner and this corner. The lower left corner, by default the coordinates are 0 comma 0. There x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. And upper right corner, since your drawing is 1500 by 1000, you have to give slightly more than this bigger figure. Say for example 2000 by 2000 or 3000 by 3000. This is how you have to enter the coordinate for the limits. So I have written here small notes: type limit, press enter. Lower left corner, type 0 comma 0, press enter. You don't need to type because it is already be there. Upper right corner, say type 5000 by 5000, depends upon the size of the drawing which you would like to prepare. Then to regenerate the screen, since you have already entered the coordinate, you have to regenerate the screen, type zoom command. Okay, type zoom command and press enter key. Then select all. From the zoom command there will be several sub options will be there. Select all, press enter key. I'll do it now. So you go to the format, select drawing limits. Okay, see here in the command line, specify lower left corner. It is already there 0 comma 0. It's good. You just type, you just press enter. No need to type. Press enter. It is taken 0 comma 0. Now upper right corner. Okay, upper right corner. So for example, this time you want to give 3000 comma 3000. You type here 3000 comma 3000. Enter. Now in order to regenerate it, in order to activate the screen, you type zoom, Z OOM, enter, and there are several options: all, center, dynamic, extend, etc., which will be dealt later. So take the first option, that is all, ALL, all. So your screen is now activated for the limits which you have entered, right? This is how you enter the limits. Now next we will go for the next command, is called line command, which is very important command, line command. There are several methods to choose the line command from the screen. Like say for example, here the first one, this is a line command. Please get introduced with this. This is a line command. Henceforth, this, the moment you see this screen, you must be able to identify it is the line command, or you go to the draw toolbar and find this line command, or you type keyboard LINE, simply type LINE, okay, or simply type L. These are the options available for you. Simply type L and press enter. The line command will be get activated. Okay, it is asking you select the first point. Okay, say for example, this is the first point. I clicked here. This is the first point. Now see, this is how the line command, okay, is activated. Now it is just you are dragging it is. Okay, now let me do this. I have dragged here. One line is over. Now the second line is over. Third line is over. Fourth line is over. Still it is asking me to get out from this. You have two options: either you press enter or you press the right click. Okay, you are out of the command, right? These are the lines we have drawn. We doesn't have any definite definition, so they are no use for me. So I delete them. Okay, I delete them. I want specific distance. Okay, specific distance, and that to horizontal line, vertical line, like that. Okay, so in order to control it horizontally and vertically, I have a option here, ortho, and in detail I'll tell you later on. You click right now ortho is on. Now select line command. Now click first. Now see, they are perfect horizontal and perfect vertical line. Okay, I want to draw the line. Say for example here, I click here. Okay, I click here, I click here, I click here. These are the perfect horizontal and vertical line. Okay friends, now discuss about line command. There are three methods are available to draw the line. One is coordinate method, second is polar method, third is direct distance method. Okay, first one, coordinate method. So here I have given a syntax to you, that is at the rate of horizontal distance x comma 0. Okay, second, at the rate of minus horizontal distance comma 0. Third, at the rate of 0 comma vertical distance. At the rate of 0 comma minus vertical distance. Now friends, it's very simple. Whenever you want to go from left to right, it is positive x distance. Whenever you want to go from right to left, it is minus x distance. Whenever you want to draw from bottom to top, it is a positive y distance, and from bottom to from top to bottom, you have to enter negative distance. That's all. Say for example, we want to construct this rectangle by using coordinate method. Select line command, pick the first point. Okay, pick the first point. Now I'm going towards from left to right. So at the rate of okay, distance you have to type 1500 x distance, comma y distance is 0, obviously. Enter. It's positive. I have written plus 1500. Enter. Now I want to go from bottom to top. Again, it is positive vertical distance at the rate of okay 0. First x value is 0, comma positive 1000. Enter. Now you want to go from right to left this side. Okay, that is x distance again at the rate of minus 1500. Okay, comma y distance is 0. Now you want to go from top to bottom, that is at the rate of 0, because x value is 0, comma minus 1000. Enter. Now you close it. Is now in order to quit this command, right click or escape or press enter. So this rectangle is ready. Okay, the second method, to draw the line using polar method. What is polar method? Now look at this figure here. Okay, to draw the polar method, from left to right at the rate of x less than 0 degree, and reverse from right to left at the rate of x less than 180 degree. Okay, if you want to go from bottom to top at the rate of y less than 90 degree, and you want to draw from top to bottom at the rate of y less than 270. Very simple. Okay, let's see now how to draw this block by using polar method. Select line command, pick the first point. You want to go from left to right at the rate of, write the distance 1500, less than, write this less than symbol. Okay, write this less than symbol, that is 0. Enter. Now you want to draw from bottom to top at the rate of, distance is 1000, less than 90 degree, 90, simply type 90. Enter. Want to go from right to left at the rate of, distance is 1500, less than 180. Okay, then you want to meet this point, that is you are coming from top to bottom at the rate of 1000, less than 270. Okay, to quit the command, you either press escape or right click or enter. So your rectangle is ready by using this polar method. Okay. Now last, the direct distance method. Direct distance method is very simple, okay, and it is fast. Mostly use this method. Everyone uses this method because it is very fast. To draw the horizontal line from left to right, select the first point and then drag towards the right and type the distance and press enter. Very simple. Okay. Now let me do the demo for this. Suppose you want to draw, okay, suppose you want to draw this block by using direct distance method. Select line command and now click first point. Okay, select first point. Keep your ortho on here button. Just click on the ortho. Now the ortho is on. Now they are perfect line now. So you want to draw toward this side, from this side to this side, that is from left to right. Just show the direction. Okay, just show wherever you can keep. Okay, you can keep this much or you can keep this much. No problem. Just show the and type the distance 1500 and press enter. 1500 is drawn. Now you want to draw from this side. Show the direction. Just show the direction. Okay, just drag towards up. Type 1000. Enter. Drawn. Now this side. Okay, if you show this side, it will draw this side. If you show this side, it will draw this side. Now just this side. It is 1500. Now downwards. Okay, just show the downwards. Wherever, just show the downwards. Type 1000. Enter. Block fast and enter. Your block is ready. It's just showing the directions. Okay.